everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 7 of exercise 3.4 from 6th class Maths NCERT book. The chapter is chapter number 3, which is playing with numbers. Okay, the question, this is the last question of exercise 3.4. Okay, let us now read the question. A number is divisible by 12. Okay, so we will do the solution. A number is divisible by 12, right? It is given in the question. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers? We don't know by how many numbers. We don't know by how many numbers this number will be divisible. But in the question it is given that this number is divisible by 12. So they are asking by what other numbers? By what other numbers will that number be divisible? So we have to find these other numbers by which this number will be divisible. We already know that this number is divisible by 12. So we have to find the other numbers by which this number will be divisible. So how to do this? Okay, see, there is a rule that if a number is divisible by another number, then this number will be divisible by the factors of this number. Okay, so this number will be divisible by the factors of this number when this number is already divisible by this number. So this number will also be divisible by the factors of this number. It means, what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. It means if a number is divisible by 12, that number will also be divisible by these numbers, because there is a rule. See, we have learned the divisibility rule in this chapter, so we have to apply the divisibility rule in solving the questions. Okay, there is a rule that if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. Okay, so we have to find the factors of this number. We got the factors of 12. It means this number is also divisible by these numbers. So we got the answer that by what other numbers will that number be divisible? So by these numbers, this number will be divisible. As this number is already divisible by 12, this number will be divisible by the factors of 12. Okay, so how to do the solution properly? This is the rough way I have explained it. So we have to do it in a proper way. See, I'll give you a small example. See, if a number is 16, okay, we know that this number will be divisible by 8. Okay, 16 is divisible by 8. If someone asks what are the other numbers by which 16 will be divisible, so what we have to do, we have to find the factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, right? 8 also, but by 8 this number is already divisible. So by what other numbers this 16 will be divisible? 16 will be divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Is it all correct? You can check it that whether 16 is divisible by these numbers or not. If yes, it means this rule is correct. Okay, so the number is divisible by the factors also. If a number is divisible by one number, then that number will also be divisible by the factors of this number, right? So let us do the solution in a proper way. So we will do the solution like this. See, I'll write it. A number is divisible by 12. So that number will also be divisible by the factors of 12. So what we will write? So that number will also be divisible by the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, so therefore therefore that number will be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 also. Or we can write it like this, that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the other numbers by which that number will be divisible. Okay. Therefore this is the symbol of therefore. Okay, 2 dots down and 1 on those 2 dots. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the other numbers by which that number will be divisible. So a number is divisible by 12, right? Full stop. So that number will also be divisible by the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the other numbers by which that number will be divisible. Understood the solution? If you like my teaching, then please share it with your friends and relatives and subscribe to the channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.